Yeah, fish on, guys. I just got a hit a while ago. Took me a while to press the friggin' record button. Good size fish too, guys. Barra. That is it, guys. Brian hooked up. Check it out. He's alright. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Bless up yourself. As you see, it's well early morning, guys. We're pushing out this morning to see what we can pick up this morning. We'll hit back up an old spot that we haven't hit in a while. Me and Brian meeting up with Claude Legacy 876 in a bit, guys. So stay tuned, guys. We're heading down the line. We'll see what we can pick up this morning. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. You made me leave my goddamn coffee in the car. I'm not going back up there for it. I'm not going back up there for it. No, I got my whole thermos of coffee in the car. I got my whole thermos up there, bro. Nah, it's too heavy. I got my drinks with me and everything. I'm not going to carry all that weight, bro. That's the whole point of lure fishing, to be light. You just decide you want to carry all that extra load. But yes, I am. Oh. Yeah, he was right here. Yeah, I see him right there. Another puffer.
Yeah, man. Life, you know, Jerry. So
they're in here feeding.
Feeding. Fish are gonna get caught today. That's first cast for the morning.
I want to get out in that water, Brian. Oh no, you're trying to get out to fucking Mars right now. Mars. Who was trying to get to the other side? Well, somebody dumped something dead on the other side,
yeah,
guys.
Somebody dumped a dead animal, right? I don't know if a dead animal, so then wrap it up
in some canvas. Yo, that shit was scary.
I don't know if it's a dead animal or it's a person, then wrap up in there. You know, so when you wrap up, this
I'm hitting grass, Brian. We need to get to higher grounds. Yeah, we're hitting grass. Let's get to high grounds. Here, guys, we want to switch up. Huh? You gonna get out in the water? I'm still trying to get Berber off my goddamn clothes, bro. Shore fishing, I got a whole bunch of thorns everywhere. I walked through this bush a while ago and it's like they just decided to stick everywhere on my body, including my rag. My fishing rag is just filled with them right now. I gotta watch my step because there was a stingray right off here just now. So when I go out, all my pockets are clear. I get a further cast out. Get that boy out there.
Correct this side.
I'm hitting seaweed when I come in.
Right on the pot, my drop in. Right beside the pot.
Oh shit. That's a heavy lure. Oh, I got mine on. On the other side would have been nice too. Look at it. I know we're gonna have to do all of that to get up on that old house.
No, man, we're not going to do it. We're not going to find out.
Around here?
Yeah,
oh shit, something just jumped right there, Brian. Something just... I don't feel like it. I feel like a seaweed on. There's something just jumped right there though. Enough stuff. Deep. You're gonna go to waist. I can feel that shit at my kneecaps already. Cut the path off. So normally I can wade fish this and walk all the way around. But I'm noticing a lot of seaweeds here, guys. I wanted to go on the other side like I was saying before, but they dumped something over there and I'm not taking any chances. You know, you get caught up into something that you don't want to get caught up in. So you just... Fish on! Cut off your lure! A leader, you use a wire. Eh? Barra.
Look like a long jack at the lead and go off.
Tie up again, go wire. I got wire if you need it. There you guys, trying to get out here. Get a good cast. Make sure my overhead's clear. Here, Jamaican shore fishing. Brian just got cut off a while ago. Get up on this wall, get a little bird eye view. Much better. Bird's eye view, guys. That's what's up. Get this camera down a bit. Get around this tree, because most likely one of them's gonna be hanging out around here someplace. Oh damn, seaweed. Yeah guys, I just had a barra chase my line a while ago. Look guys, look at this. The starfish. That's how clear the water is. Let's get this thing up. Take a look at it. Look at this guy. Wow. This is so pretty. This is awesome. Cool, ain't it? Let's get it back. Jamaican shore fishing. That's what's up, guys. That's what being in nature is all about. Come in, you try not to disturb it as much as you can, and have fun. That's what it's all about. I got a whole bunch of debris over there I'm probably gonna have to navigate through or around. Yeah, from walking these shorelines, guys, you get to learn all the terrain's pretty good. Touching grass out there someplace. I can feel the lure touching it. Brian's back there chopping his way through someplace down there. What's going on with Brian? Here goes a flat rock right here I can stand on. Good footing. Oh shit, there's sea eggs in here. I gotta be careful too. Oh shit, look at this lionfish. Brian! Brian! You got something to kill this lionfish? Big one too. He's right here next to me. No. I don't want to move and then he get away. No, this one's big. Damn, can't grab him, guys. See me, Brian? Brian, he's so shallow that his dorsal fins out the water. Yeah. Yeah. Just bring your machete over here, Brian. Look, see me, so you know? Damn, he's getting away. I had him corralled on this side. See me, Sir Brian?
Try get him to go back. Try get him to go back.
Him now move, Brian. See him right there, sir. See him right there, sir. Right below me. You see him? You see him? He ain't even trying to move.
Don't poke him like that way. No.
Ain't gone, man. Make him go on. He's a big ass boy. I was trying to catch. I got him all the way up to the shallows, but you took so long to come. I was trying to get you to come with your machete and just give you one chop in the head and done. Big ass lionfish, guys. Yeah, you're not gonna lose your finger. You just chop the goddamn thing. He dead. Yeah, it's that bad. Walk around it or walk through it?
No, I mean, like, what do you say?
I don't think I'm gonna try that though.
Shallow, man.
I'm just trying to get my goddamn phone out of my pocket.
Only thing is the grass. So, what are you having your phone?
I'm trying not to do one of your mistakes.
Next one now.
Where?
Next line picture.
Where's your machete? Chop him in the ass.
Little still, though.
Chop him in the ass.
Missing part. Must be a twin. No, me don't want to walk through your son now.
Why?
Because line fishing there.
Just clear the thing while we're moving, bro. I know there's a lionfish in there. They don't run either.
Exactly. That's the problem with them.
Just gotta clear it as we go through and just be careful.
I'd rather stick here than run.
Yeah.
And I look for the big machete. I'm looking for the big machete.
Let's use the machete and clear the grass while we move. Damn, that's a bad idea. Once lionfish area come in, then we're moving. So we got a whole way to clear to get out of here. Go around it where? You know how far you got to go around it? Oh, you go through the bush? Yeah, yeah, let's go around this shit. Yeah, we're not even gonna try that. One barra run down the line, right? That's a look while, but about a pound and a half. Yeah, fishing on, guys. I just got a hit a while ago. Took me a while to press the friggin' record button. Good size fish too, guys. Good size barra. Oh yeah. Let's get him aboard shore, guys. Good size barra, guys. Woof woof. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Got him. Woof woof. Got him, guys. That is it. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Hit him a while. Spoon lure. Gotcha. That is it, Jamaican shore fishing. Let's get this guy up. Let's get this guy up, guys. Big guy. Big guy, too, guys. Yeah, spoon lure. Woof woof. A good 4 pounds in him. Let's get him. Woof woof. Here, guys, we got him. Lip grip tool. Let's get this guy off of here. Woof woof. Oh. Here, guys. So, kind of had a little boo-boo with the camera. I didn't have it recording, and I cast out. I don't know why I did that, or how I did that. I don't know how I did that. Just cast them out on spoon lure, guys. All right. Check it out, Jamaican shore fishing. I'll get this camera off so you guys can see this. Oh, guy, calm down, calm down. Let's get this guy over here. Woof woof. Let's get this camera sitting here so you guys can see what's up. That is it, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Look at this, guys. Woof woof. When you guys see this big boy, that is it, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. That is it, guys. Bless up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, man. Crazy hookup this morning, guys. Look at this. Big boy. Yep, 4 pounds, guys. Whoop, whoop. Gotcha. That's what's up. I'm down, you're dead off. Spoon lure Brian got him. Yeah, man. Trying to get some of this burr off my hand rag. I got these bush burrs that's all over my stuff that I can't wipe my hands without getting stuck with thorns. Sucks. But this is my hand wiping mitt. Uses to wipe my hands, guys, when I get slimy fish like this on it. But let's get this guy strung up. We're gonna move down the line. I gotta get my fish string out. I just put it in here today. Yeah, got the peanuts. Whoop whoop. Sucker. Got you. Yes, Mr. Barra. Oh yeah, I know you're gonna try that. Get you strung up on a string, buddy. I guess we eating good today, Brian. That's it, guys. We got them strung up. We'll get them off my lip grip tool now. On a string. Catch and cook, guys? What do you guys say? Catch and cook today. Let's catch and cook this barra today. We're gonna eat a barra today, guys. Damn it. I got so much stuff in my bag today. I think Brian left me again. Brian! Let's get up there. Shore fishing. Let's get to it. Gotta get back to work. Let's go meet up with Brian. Spoon lure got him. Just as the diver got out, guys. Whew. Yeah, Brian cut through there, guys. I gotta catch up with him. Let me secure my hook here. Yeah, let's go fish up with Brian. Alright. I should never have turned that camera off. I missed the whole hookup. Trying to hit the damn camera button the whole time it was happening. I hit the camera button like 3 times a while ago, guys, just to try to catch a hookup. And there's none. Brian's on the other side already. Yeah, this bad boy is still kicking. I'm gonna put him down in a second when I get to the other side. I just need a little bit more shore. Try that. Yeah. Having dirt in my shoe, but let's try it. Yeah. One cast on the spoon, guys. Get this guy hooked up right here. Should I get around Brian and get on the other side? How's that debris treating you? You on? Damn, bro, you're scaring me, man. Up here and cast. Spoon lure again, guys. Let's get that out there. Jamaican shore fishing. Fish on? Huh? Yeah. Brian got fish on, guys. I'm getting bit by some creatures up here a while ago. Fish on. Brian got hooked up. Huh? Barra? That is it, guys. Brian hooked up. Check it out. He's alright. That is it, guys. Barra hunting today, me and Brian, guys. There's a whole bunch of creatures that are in this grass, bro. Yeah, Brian got a hookup a while ago, guys. Definitely got a barrel hookup. That sunlight gave us a little justice on the spoon lure and the lures real quick. Over here, I knew that was over here, bro. I kind of felt it from I got here. Over here, last time we caught the last 2 barras.
The last time I'm going to reach, that's why I reach and I go around, so we start get them.
Yeah.
Right. heavy.
Brian feeling good today, guys.
Oh, even if we don't catch them, I go feel good. It's hard.
You ready to move? Or you got your fish in your bag? Huh? Mine's right there on the rock.
You know what I'm putting over?
I got it. Yeah. I'll bring it to you.
You want mixed lionfish out there?
Where? Big?
Big.
Chop him in his head, man. Hit it, Brian. Hit it hard. Oh, he's still living. Oh shit, a barrel just ran from under here a while ago too. Damn, this is getting deep. Oh, I'm here. Eh?
Massive one today, no?
You get him?
I hook him with the lure, but
How big is he?
big! Bigger than the one you see. See me in one thing right there. You could have picked this up, but
Hold on. Let me see if I can get him with a spoon. Remember, the spoon has weight on it.
yeah. Come on.
I see him. I could jig him with the...
I'm in a wrong position right now, so. I could even get one eye fin, you know.
I want me to just hook on the coil. See him gone in there, you know. I hitched up on him a while ago. Damn, he big.
Big man.
That's a big lionfish, bro.
Big man. Can't get him.
And
You see, me don't have my snake with your set down there. And a part to them. All of them. Because I just cast on the grass.
I'm gonna start bringing my spear with me. Or my bow.
I want the nice one. I want that would be a nice one to put on the grill and I
What?
One of those fish you can't catch with your hand.
No. If you could, you would.
You ever try me?
If you could, you would, but unfortunate, you've been excruciating pain for the whole entire day.
Yeah, how's tomorrow?
Yeah. Or a couple of days later. Still feeling the effects of that shit. Watch your back, going out.
Big man. And that the man there draw.
Who? Oh,
I'm gone on the building.
I'm gonna try to clean up, man. You see when I catch a barrel coil, huh? Huh? He deep, you know? About waist deep almost.
I think waist deep. At least I cheer with the door.
Was it? Or we went behind it? Alright. Okay guys, so going at it again. See if the spoon lure is going to give us another bingo today. I bet you any money when we get down to that corner there's a barrel right there. Huh? You want to bet me?
So even if you lose that, you still up here, myself. Long jaw, right? That's all. Something.
Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Got ya. Fish on. Whoop. Ariel, we got flight. We got flight a while ago, bro. Fish on. Good size barra too. Woo. Ho, 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 ho. Another one barra. Another barra bites the dust. Yeah, bro. Yeah, buddy. That is it, Jamaican shore fishing. We got this one. Fish on. Barra 2. Andre Hartman Adventures, Clark Legacy Jamaican shore fishing is going at it. I want you to come try that, bro. me and Clark Legacy 876 going at. Y'all want to talk about barra killing? That's 3 for the morning so far, guys. Stay tuned for more epic hookup. Clark Legacy 876 Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. I told you Dion hot, man, you know. Then call we out in the dogs. Hey guys, I'm trying to get this lip grip tool in his mouth. He's a pain in the butt. He's not even trying to open up. Say, trying to hold him with the tool so I can take the hook out without getting myself hurt. Spoon lure, guys. That's what's up. Killer. Damn, he got my nylon all knotted up. That's it, guys. Where's the next one? Oof, oof. Barra day, guys. Huh? Oh yeah, cruise ship going in. Alright guys, let's get moving with Brian. Hook run around here, we're gonna go around. This is it, guys. That's what's up. Clark Legacy 876. Jamaican shore fishing. Had it, guys. We ain't playing. We bump into all kinds of species of fish and creatures today, guys. It's Brian's turn to hook up now. You got him? Get him, bro. Get him, get him, get him. Bro, he bite this big hook, he going in. Here, guys. Me and Brian's at it today again. Hitting them today. Barra galore today. Brian got a barra. I got one. I check the box here for octopus. Oh. Look like we both thinking alike, bro. I'm just taking my time, cruising through. Brian get a few casting. Yeah, that lure will definitely hit something, Brian. That lure definitely kill something right now. Watch your cast. I'm behind you. I don't want to ball out. Boom, buckler.
That's difference, no, Jerry. I'll admit that.
No, but you see.
Just by listening to your talking, you know what you're doing.
All right.
Always a check.
I see something jump a while ago. Come on, big up to Windstone Chronicles, guys. Check out Windstone Chronicles. Go over there, please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Check them out. Awesome brother. One of my super members. So make sure you big up Windstone Chronicles, guys. Check them out. Brian, we need to change location. You heard?
We need to go over to that house foundation, Brian. Work it around to that beach before it gets too late. Can't do no more wade fishing from here. We can, but it's not gonna be fruitful. We can cast along the trees when we get around to the next corner. But after that, it's straight up to that house. Yeah guys, so we're coming all the way from over that side. And then we wade fish all the way back across this way, me and Brian. So I decided to come up here and do a little bit of casting from up here. I'm gonna get a bird's eye view and a longer distance cast. Let's work it and see what we can pick up here, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Barra's chasing it, Barra's chasing it, Barra's chasing it, Barra's chasing it. He ran, guys. Big barra. Nice size barra too, about 3-4 pounds. Yeah guys, they have to find a different chat to come out of that place. Now, Clark Legacy at 7.6, Brian, getting ready to go do a little cook up of these barras that we just caught. So stay tuned. Why you go that way? Bro, you going off the trail. This is the trail. But, yo, bro, you're gonna hit a landmine over there. You see? There you go. That's what reached you for coming off the trail. Why did you go coming off the trail, bro? So that means the trail goes up to the road.
No, but if I go this up, we go up to Ben and all that.
Yeah, but if we go up to the road, we get to a car quicker. All right, that's the man that walk up now. Now we found a different trail that we can come in and come direct. Look, look. See trail goes to Brian. Why you insist on coming on going that goat trail?
Don't you see the fence up there, Jerry?
Don't you see the fence up there, Brian?